So you can see in this video here, this is before the lockdown and we're practicing some biking skills. These can be easily done in the garden or on a drive. It doesn't take a lot of room, especially if you've got a balance bike. You can see in this first bit they're weaving in and out of cones. So just practicing those bike handling skills. So in a moment we're also going to look at cornering. So Isabel, who's the oldest, is 6 on a pedal bike, a geared bike. He's going to practice going in and out of the cones, raising the inside knee, so that's the one nearest to the cone, nearest to the inside of the corner, as she goes past. So the cone is on her right, so her right knee's up nice and high. On her left, a left knee. And I'll see that again. So this can be, it doesn't take a lot of room to just practice up and down. Let's say, please in this time, not in the park, in a quiet space where you've got it to yourself and your family. Have fun and take care.